It's Caravan Friday on a beautiful day in Ojai. We have 3 new guests, one of which you've seen before, Miss Molly. We have Peyton, Molly and I's daughter. So we're doing a family
and my
caravan.
child.
And Peyton's new addition, Tilly. So today we have a ton of new listings finally that have come out, but we are only going to probably be able to see 3 or 4. So we are going to do our very best. Molly already got her coffee for the day from the Dutchess, an amazing restaurant in Ojai.
It's a nice sunny day.
Tilly's first round.
This is our first caravan. And my first caravan.
Yeah, Pate's first caravan.
Woo woo! Oh, I also got a treat from the Dutchess.
Oh.
Let's look. All right, we got a strawberry pistachio Danish.
Yeah.
Okay, let's not get the crumbs all over.
You're getting it all over the car. You're
Let's
getting it
try
all
it.
over the car. Nope, you're getting it. Oh my god.
Oh, keep
Don't know why she was invited.
Amazing.
She'll be cleaning the car later.
Amazing.
Maybe you guys will get a video of that.
It's worth the crumbs.
Okay.
All right, Peyton. So what's the first property we're going to see today?
We're going to 3935 Thacher Road.
Do you know anything about it?
Yeah, it's an amazing Spanish style on the East End.
Yes, it is. The prestigious East End of Ojai, surrounded by beautiful orange orchards right now that are like in full blossom.
They smell amazing.
Yeah.
They do.
It's my favorite part about Ojai is the smell of
Orange blossoms.
orange blossoms.
All right, we just finished up with Thacher. Really cool, Spanish, has a ton of character.
It was a little bit over 2,100 square feet. It was built in 1935, 3-bedroom, 2 bathrooms.
With a guest house above the garage.
Oh my gosh, the guest house above the garage is amazing.
Yeah. What do you think, Pate, for your first one?
Beautiful views.
Beautiful
Gorgeous
views? God, you must be your mom's kid. That's what she says in the videos. Beautiful views.
I love views. They're my
Right?
favorite.
And when you are in the, I think it was one of the bedrooms, it went like right out to the pool. So you could see all in the pool, and then out the front yard was a little porch.
Okay, we just rolled up to the prestigious Foothill area. We're about to go into 1104 Foothill Road. This is gonna be a really cool one. All right, so we just finished up on Foothill. It was even better than I thought. Just a super cool historical home up here on the north side of Foothill. So you're really getting up in some of the really cool, fun areas.
I feel like as soon as you walk into the house, you just smell like history and like a museum or old church or something.
It was gorgeous.
It was.
The entire thing was just beautiful.
Yeah.
Like you could feel it. Like you walked, especially into all the bedrooms. Again, sorry to say it, but the views all around. Really cool backyard.
Yeah, with,
Really
a
cool
little
backyard.
guest house that was super
Yes.
cute. Art and like an art studio, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, up top. Yeah.
Big chicken coop.
Yeah.
Huge
It was-
chicken coop with
Yeah.
a big run.
Yeah.
That primary suite,
It was
Did you go back
amazing.
there?
It's amazing.
amazing.
The closet.
The closet, the bathrooms, 2 bathrooms off of the primary
it
suite.
had a little, like almost like a little nook
Mhm,
that came off of the bedroom
mhm.
that just had windows. That was beautiful.
Yeah.
Like
Little chase.
morning little.
And they
Read your book.
really did a good job, or have done a good job, like keeping the history, like
Yeah,
100%.
restoring and leaning into the history of the home. They have not butchered this house. Like it really is gorgeous. All right, so since we have Pate today, who is a teenager graduating from the local high school here and has grown up here her entire life, we want to get a little info from her, what it's like to grow up in Ojai as a teenager.
Ojai's a fun place to grow up in. It's a nice small town. You're pretty much friends with everyone, but the water hole is definitely like the best thing in Ojai, I think, for teenagers, because you can yeah, it's in the river bottom. You can either go, and the girls just like to tan because the UV in Ojai is really good. And then there are the rocks you can jump off of. It stays decently warm because of the weather. You can also go to the athletic club. You can go swim there. There's a lot to do there. Or you go on bike rides with your friends on all the bike trails downtown and have lunch. But yeah, overall, it's a really good place. There's a lot to do.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. And there's like the school, there's sports, right?
Yeah, there's a lot
You
of
play
good sports.
softball.
Yeah, I play softball. It's fun. And
Yeah.
then we have a lot of youth programs too, like through the rec department.
Mm-hmm.
And they have they have all the sports.
What about just like the ranches and horses and all that stuff up there?
A lot of horse opportunities for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of trails. I mean, Ojai's really lenient with like you can just ride your horse all on the streets. On the bike trails, they allow it. And then all in the river preserve down by the water hole. You can take your horse to the water hole, actually.
Take your horse to the water hole.
That's a fun thing to do.
Yeah, that's true.
And when
That
you're a
is true.
teenager, that's a big thing. You want to save your money.
Mm-hmm.
So there is a lot to do that you don't have to pay for, which is always a plus.
And I think growing
Job
up,
opportunities
I was just
for
gonna say,
teenagers.
growing up here as a
Yeah.
teenager, there's a lot of like cool first time jobs like yours.
Yeah, for sure. I work at Bliss.
Yep.
Frozen yogurt. Come in and see me.
Yep.
But yeah, there are a lot of job opportunities just all around the town for young people that are just first starting out.
I agree. All right, just pulled up to Mercer. This one's actually not on the Caravan list, but we do know about it. So let's go see what they have to offer. Okay, just finished up with the Mercer house. Thought it was nice, nicely remodeled.
Yeah.
Pate, you get to see inside people's houses. What'd you think?
Felt very nice and clean.
Mm-hmm.
Felt new.
Yeah.
And the landscaping was really nice.
Yeah, I liked that water feature that was off of the garage. It was very calming.
The garage was also
So-
nice and big.
Yeah.
It was
that's cool.
It was a really good sized garage.
It's a good spot in Ojai, up by Topa Topa School, so I think it'll do well. It's a good one. All right, so just finished up with Gridley. I really liked that one. That was nice. Had nice vaulted ceilings, super charming, a ton of character. Gridley Road is amazing.
It was a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom, a little bit over 2,500 square feet. Nice backyard, garden space, really
Very-
cool hot tub.
Oh yeah, I really liked the hot tub.
Unique hot tub.
It had a really cool little like yoga room type of thing,
It did.
which that was a fun addition to the house. Good
Yeah.
garage.
Yeah.
I like the garage.
The jacuzzi is very unique.
Yeah.
Super cool. A lot of fun.
Yeah,
Yeah.
very useful backyard.
Yeah.
Like a lot that you can use out of the whole space.
Oh, and it had the ADU.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Had an ADU there. So really, really cool.
Yeah.
So that's going to wrap up Caravan today.
Yes.
I hope you guys liked all those wonderful properties we saw. I thought it was a ton of fun this time. Usually there's like a blend and we maybe have like one really exciting property, but today I felt like
They're
there were
great.
a ton and you got to see some really great stuff,
Yeah.
Peyton, which you never get to do this, Molly. You got to see a couple cool things and now you got to see a lot of cool things. So that is Caravan Friday with my family.
Yes.
Minus Broken Leg Bricks, but
Oh.
we're gonna bring him on soon and it's gonna be a really fun time rolling him around. So stay tuned, subscribe to our YouTube, and I don't know when Ashley's coming back, but she will be back.
Oh, I'll be back too, guys. Don't worry.